Good morning, guys. Well, actually, it's not such a good morning simply because it's foggy and rainy outside. I do have to take the NSX out. That's why I'm not so happy about it. I will be taking her out for her alignment because I lowered her. This was about, maybe a few weeks ago, maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago. And I still have not installed the struts on the rear window and the trunk. So you're gonna have to bear with me. I still don't have my camera. I'm using my phone, so video still gonna be shaky, as I've stated before. So anyway, I've got about an hour or so to try and get this done. I want to lower her a little bit more before I head out, just so that she will be at her final ride height. And let me get that done, and I will surely see if I can if they'll allow me to kind of do a little bit of some filming while they do the work. So anyway, get this done and head out. So this completely sucks. Don't really want to have to wash her, but I have to drive in this rain and muck and fog. The noise, by the way, that you're hearing is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can hear it from this audio. And that clanging that you're hearing, it's a cup holder. It's aluminum cup holder that's in my glove compartment. So it's nothing mechanical. It's nothing in the car. But that tire noise that you hear is definitely something being up. And I'm pretty sure it's just an alignment. I'm gonna guess, at least that's what I'm hoping, that it's not bearing, because I did check play and I didn't see any kind of, or feel any kind of play on any of the corners. So I'm hoping it's just a bad toe. Maybe John might have hit a pothole in Jersey, so the roads there aren't as smooth. I'm not saying PA roads are smooth either, but it's definitely worse than it is here. So, but anyway, so we're on our way to the alignment shop. I think it was a Mazda speed. Where is it? No, it's a regular 3. It's good though. Well, I shouldn't really be driving this close behind someone else, just to avoid more dirt and crap getting in the front of the car. But I'm in a rush. I've got about maybe 15 minutes to get there, and I'm already half an hour late. So I got her here, so she's ready to get aligned. So he's going to drive it just to test to see, maybe he can try and figure out the noise also. Never seen anybody else drive my car, but something he needs to do, I guess, to try and determine what's going on with the suspension. Check out this little Fiat. And I got Brian working on the NSX right now. So he's setting the tire pressure, and I'm going to be giving him my specs on the alignment as far as toe and camber. It's pretty sweet that they've got the lighting on this. you guys can see it. Oh, sorry for the shaky hands. So these are the current values now. That's
Yep.
on the car.
Yep, that's what's on there right now. So this is.
But if that's the closest you can get, that's fine too. I just wanted to just get it close to my buddy's track setup. But so it's 1.2 in the front.
Yeah, I had
camber.
one, 2, and now it's in millimeters here.
Okay.
I could switch it back to what you had asked.
Right.
But let's see here. So we're gonna go in here, do degrees. I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm sorry, it was set on a different setting. Settings.
It's cool. And the caster stayed the same, right?
Yeah.
Stock.
Yep, casters. I didn't change that at all.
Awesome.
I left that exactly where it was. Yep. So.
Okay, cool.
Yep. Got a good picture of that.
Yep, got it. Josh, she looks clean. No? You don't think so?
50,000 mile New York.
Oh, you got it from New York?
I bought it local. The guy was like 3 miles from me, but it was a one-ender from New York my whole life, so you know what that does.
Well, I mean, for a New York car, it's actually pretty clean.
Yeah,
For a 150,000 mile car, this is freaking clean.
It's got. I did coilovers on it, like the strut.
Oh, you
tops
did that?
are
You
all
did that recently?
rusted, yeah. You know, it just the rear subframe's rusty. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but I ground down a lot of the rust and then undercoated it the other day just to
Make it look nice.
clean it up a little bit. Like it's choppier than what my RX-7.
Is there chocks on the other side? Yeah, unassuming. So I stopped and decided to get some pictures at a spot that I found last year, but never got the opportunity to take advantage. It's a weekend, so I don't think anybody's working today, so figured I'd stop by since it's nearby, get some pics for the Instagram, and a little bit for this video, because I'm pretty sure this is not going to be a long one. So I decided to go ahead and drop by. Okay, so I'm back. I'm probably gonna most likely get her up on stands and take out the wheels and clean the coilovers, simply because I kind of drove out on wet roads. That might be anal. I don't know. I don't know what you guys do. Comment down below on what you guys would do if you were in my shoes. But essentially, I just kind of know the fact that it's now dirty and they're fairly new. Well, not fairly. They are new. that I don't feel comfortable leaving them with grime and dirt that's spattered from the wet roads. It's the following day, Sunday morning. Sun is starting to come up. Roads are still wet though, so it's gonna suck because I did a little bit of cleaning on the NSX last night just to kind of get her a little bit prepared for this. It's not a show, but it is a venue to kind of show your cars off. So I kind of didn't want to make it look like it's been through the ringer and have not been washed for like weeks, which it looked like yesterday because I went through wet roads. But anyway, so I've got Troy and Jay coming over. We're gonna go pick up Don and Fred, and then drive over to meet Josh. For this part of the video, I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna be taking a lot of videos simply because I want to enjoy the day. I'm gonna guess that this is gonna be the last hurrah for the season, and I just want to just enjoy the day. And I never really realized how much work it takes to edit and post a video. So yeah, it's just a lot of work. So in this, in this video, I'm not really gonna do much coverage. Like I said, since it's the last hurrah, I want to spend some time with my friends just to kind of just talk, because I haven't caught up with a good chunk of them. So just want to spend the day just chilling. Anyway, all right, well, we'll see what I can gather, real quickly at the meet, post it, and then we'll go from there. So that's Troy over there after passing me like I was sleeping. Not even just standing, I was sleeping. That is a beautiful sight. Pretty good, man.
When did you get this thing?
September.